Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for April 4th, 2014. It is a Friday, of course, and it's 6:43 a.m. in the morning. We have an easterly wind, and that's transporting plenty of low-level moisture in from the Atlantic. It's around 5 to 10 miles per hour. It will increase to 10 to 20 miles per hour by this afternoon, the winds that is, with periods of showers throughout the day. And as you can see, some of these showers are capable of heavy downpours. When you see this right here? See this? One, two, three dots. That means heavy rain. When you get 4 dots, that's very heavy rain. So what we have here are temperatures basically in the lower to mid 40s throughout the entire Philadelphia, New York City metropolitan area with a marine environment built in, and temperatures aren't going to be moving all that much, basically in the mid to upper 40s over the interior and upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. So you're looking at roughly a 4 to 6 degree rise between now and this afternoon with overcast skies throughout the day. So it's going to be a raw, wet, cool day. Best way to describe it. One of those spring days where you just feel like staying in bed all day. Now, on the latest surface map, what we have is our low pressure system here lifting up through Chicago. This low pressure system will move towards the St. Lawrence River Valley, staying well to the west of us. Meanwhile, we have a warm front down here. Now, what's going to happen is that this high pressure system is kind of fighting against this warm front. So the warm front's going to have a hard time pushing north. So we never really get into the warm air associated with this low pressure system. Instead, we'll remain in this marine environment. The warm air will lift over that marine environment, leading to rainfall all day. And then we have our cold front all the way down here in the Mississippi River Valley that will rapidly lift northeast by tonight and exit by early tomorrow morning, leading to clearing skies by the time we get into the mid-morning hours tomorrow morning, which means our weekend is going to be absolutely beautiful. Now, on the radar, you can see the showers here linger. Now, what we will have here throughout the day are waves of these showers kind of redeveloping, especially over the New York City metropolitan area, where we have a little bit better lifting mechanisms in place in the atmosphere to support more widespread showers. Again, not a washout all day. It's just kind of like a cloudy, raw, drizzly day with periods of showers mixed in between. Over the Philadelphia metropolitan area, the showers will be more isolated this morning, but will increase in coverage this afternoon. Now, you see all this heavy rain here? This will remain well to our south. Basically, all this heavy rain will remain focused over, let's say, portions of Virginia and North Carolina tonight. This area of rainfall will lift northeast towards basically western and central New York, and then this area of rainfall is what will move through the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. So overall, we're going to miss the brunt of all this steady, heavy rainfall. We'll have anywhere around a quarter to a third of an inch of rainfall throughout the region, but nowhere near to what was expected because these thunderstorms here are basically robbing all the moisture from getting northward into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. So again, this is all a recipe for a raw, cloudy, wet type of day with periods of showers and drizzle. Not a washout, but a bit uncomfortable. On the infrared satellite picture, you can clearly see here's that warm front. Here's our area low pressure lifting north. This warm front basically stalls out to the south of the region. This cold front will lift northeast by tonight, producing scattered showers. But again, notice where all the heaviest convection or thunderstorms is located, moving due east from the Mississippi River Valley towards the Tennessee River Valley and eventually towards the southeast coast. On the water vapor satellite picture, you can see overall we have a little bit of a blocking mechanism here with what's called a negative NAO, and that is preventing this warm front from moving any further north. And then this low pressure system lifts northeast towards the St. Lawrence River Valley. And notice to our west, we remain in a very progressive, active weather pattern with plenty of moisture streaming in with the subtropical jet stream and more disturbances on the way from the Pacific. And that, of course, means we're going to have another threat for rainfall Monday night to Tuesday with this disturbance right here. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance using the European model guidance from the Penn State UWall website. By this evening, again, here's our low pressure system lifting up into the St. Lawrence River Valley, and here's the associated disturbance. Now notice the best lifting and dynamics are focused towards the eastern Great Lakes. So we're going to basically be in this vacuum of lifting. So while there'll be plenty of moisture in the atmosphere, there isn't going to be a great deal of lifting. So again, we're going to be looking at more of a scattered shower type of environment, overcast skies, and just raw, wet, drizzly type weather. Temperatures today again will rise into the upper 40s to lower 50s for highs. For tomorrow morning, look for low temperatures, not really falling all that much, mid to upper 40s. Now, the good news is that for Saturday and for Sunday, high pressure will be in complete control. Look for clearing skies Saturday morning. By the time you wake up, let's say around 9 a.m., you'll have scattered cloud cover to clear skies in place. Notice, again, very dry air is in place by Saturday afternoon. So if you have any plans on Saturday and Sunday, hey, it's going to be absolutely beautiful out there with high pressure in complete control. Temperatures on Saturday range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. On Sunday, look for mid-30s for lows and upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. Pretty much normal for this time of year. For Monday, we'll have increasing clouds throughout the day. Rain develops by the late afternoon to the evening hours, and that rain may be heavy at times. I'm saying maybe for one simple reason. Now, you see all this moisture lifting here. It looks impressive, but if we have another scenario like what we have today where all the thunderstorms become severe over the southeast and over the Tennessee River Valley, that will once again rob the moisture feed that will push into the northern mid-Atlantic. So we're going to have to watch that. It's going to be a theme, I think, throughout much of this spring where you're going to have the potential for heavy rainfall, but if you have a severe weather event to your south and west, let's say over the Tennessee River Valley, a lot of that rainfall will be limited because the moisture transport will be focused with those thunderstorms rather than over the northern mid-Atlantic. So it's something to certainly keep an eye on. Now on Monday, look for temperatures in the mid to upper 30s for lows, upper 50s to lower 60s for highs, again pretty much near normal. On Tuesday, mid to upper 40s for lows, and then for highs, lower to mid 60s. Now this is because of one reason and one reason only. By the time we get to Tuesday afternoon, see how that low pressure system is lifting well to the north? Well, what's behind this low pressure system is a Pacific air mass. And with that air mass moving in and dropping south through the Appalachian Mountains, it causes warming in the atmosphere. And so that allows you to get into the lower to mid 60s with dry air right behind this low pressure system. So Tuesday afternoon is shaping up to be pretty nice. We'll have rainfall Monday afternoon through Tuesday morning, clearing skies Tuesday afternoon. And then for Wednesday and Thursday, high pressure and complete control with comfortable weather conditions. Temperatures pretty much near normal. Lower to mid 40s for lows, mid to upper 50s for highs on Wednesday. On Thursday, mid to upper 30s for lows, upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. And then looking at Friday, it looks like we're going to be dealing with some scattered cloud cover, high pressure in control. Could be an isolated shower with a passing cold front in the afternoon. Temperatures above normal, mid 40s for lows and lower to mid 60s for highs. Well, that is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.